Okay, hi, hello everyone. In today's video, it's Bed Wars, but it's pretty much rip-off Bed Wars. As you know, pretty much everyone who plays Bed Wars knows Hypixel Network and plays on Hypixel Network, but honestly, I wanted to make a twist and play on other servers that aren't just for Hypixel. I have no idea how this video is gonna go, and honestly, I just hope that I don't get kicked out and my ping isn't too bad. But if you do enjoy, be sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's get into it. Okay, so here we are in the lobby. First thing I'm noticing is you can change your team. Like, you can choose whichever team color you want, which obviously I'm going green because I don't know if you can tell, but I kind of like green just a little bit, not too much. But I love that feature because honestly, I remember this one Sammy Green video. It was a long time ago. Whenever it's Christmas, he wanted to make Christmas trees because the new wood skins like just came out, but he had to be on the right team. So this literally, I don't know how many things like that you would be doing, but that changes a lot. Apparently there's also perks for Bed Wars, so I'm guessing if you have a rank, then you can equip different perks, which that's really weird, but I kind of like that, but at the same time I don't, because that's kind of pay to win. My game just froze. That's kind of stupid if it's pay to win, but if it's just like a not huge difference, like let's say you get like, I don't know, 0.5 more damage with sharp, then I like that. I just completely lagged out and froze, but here we are in our first game. It's waterfall. Okay, if you don't know, I absolutely hate this map. It's literally such a good map, but I have such bad memories of it. The one time I record on it, literally one bad thing happened. Go watch. Oh god. Okay, so we have kind of a quick shop. Doesn't look like there's an e-chest. I'll just be throwing it for now. Okay, I only got 2 gold whenever I got my 16 iron, which that's interesting. Yellow is side rushing. Blue is also side rushing, and they fell. Okay, that's good. Blue looks decently sweaty, so I'm gonna have to go for them. Maybe I can get a pick. Hopefully everything's the same price. 15. That's interesting. And I swear, if it's not whenever I respawn I get it back, then that's stupid. Okay, there we go. We have our pick. We have 56 wool. Let's start bridging. So looks like blue is rushing me and yellow is rushing the other team, so I'm just gonna follow that because I don't want to be rushing yellow and blue's going for me. So let's go by that. Blue's slowly coming. He seems decently sweaty, at least by the way he's bridging. If he will drop, that'll be great. He is not gonna drop. That's annoying. And okay, you want to bed trade? Then I really don't care. We can bed trade. He might actually have a lot of time. He might be able to void. Don't know. That wouldn't be too smart of him though. Let's get his bed right here. Oh, he's already back here. What? Hold on. I just died. What? How did he? Excuse me? Wait a minute. Why did I respawn? I'm so confused right now. Did he? I don't know. This game is confusing. He also took the gold, which if there was an ender chest, I would have had 15, which 15 is enough for armor. Let's just wait till 15 gold. I feel like that'll be a good move. I don't know how long this is gonna take, and he better not rush me. And there's literally, I hate that there's no chests, because if I die, then I lose it all. That's not good. I have a little bit of time though. There we go. We got 15. Let's buy it to get some more wool. Maybe to get a better pick. Nope, I can't. Okay, let's get that. And I did respawn with my pick. That's revolutionary. Also, I was trying to get on 4 different servers, but one of the servers I literally couldn't complete the captcha and I got kicked 3 times. So then I just gave up. Okay, good, he fell. I don't get that literally the captcha, I was literally doing exactly what it said and it wasn't working. So I probably thought I was a robot or something. Okay, let's killed him. Wool and bed. Okay, let's go. That's the first bed of the game. He's running up. Is he gonna try to hit me down? Most likely. Nope, he's just making a run for it. Yeah, he's not gonna be able to make that jump, and he should be right final. Oh, he just lagged back and he died. Let's go. Wait, who are you? Hold on, what? Okay, so pretty much you just have to play like you're a final, because you don't have a chest, which that's terrible but kind of great. Golden apples cost iron. That's interesting. Okay, let's see, what do I want to get? I'll get TNT. I'll get a knockback stick, because why not? I just need to spend my stuff, and I need a lot more blocks. You can also buy sandstone, which that's interesting. I'm gonna get some of that. And you can buy a magic bridge. I don't know what that is. I'm gonna test that out later. Let's take some of this end stone. We got 8. That's all we need. Red is bridging over here. Let's kill them first. Then after that, let's go over there. I don't think the people over here will be too good. Okay, I think that's Watchdog. Maybe like it's admin or something. That's literally throwing me off so hard. I don't know why it's there visible. And I can't see people's health. That's amazing. Place down the TNT. Okay, I was gonna say if I... that didn't happen. You can buy soul sand. That's gonna make an interesting thing. It looks like yellow is coming over here. Okay. Is that yellow? Or is that another watchdog? I think that's another watchdog thing. God, these things are so... Why do they show? That's so weird. I'm pretty sure that's a watchdog. Let's replace all of this with sandstone. Shouldn't be too bad. Looks like there's only 3 people left. Red is a final. Wait. No, never mind. I guess it doesn't show if you're bed, if you have a bed or not. Yeah, I'm gonna take a guess that those things are like admins, and I see there's one right there and one over here. I don't know if those are actual players or if those are just bots, but that's confusing me so hard. Red bed was just broken by yellow other teams in the game. Cool. Okay, well I just have all this spare stuff. I guess I'll just keep it on me. Let's hope no one else gets it. I got an iron sword, some TNT, and I got 2 magic bridges because I want to know how those work. Okay, so yellow. Oh, yellow's actually right next to me. Okay, so if I place that, does it just do 1 block? What? Excuse me? That's literally just wool. Okay, I think I'm probably doing that wrong, but okay. Okay, let's make it over our way to yellow. Literally, Waterfall is actually such a good map. I just have such bad memories on it. I don't know if it's still in the queue, because I know there was a map change. Also, I need to test if there's, I heard debate about going around Skyrise, and that it got, brought back, and Solus, one of my favorite maps, got removed. And if that's true, I'm literally gonna cry. You'll see me in like one of those fake apology videos where I'm just crying on camera. Except I don't have facecam L. Kind of bad, not gonna lie. Okay, it looks like it's just me and Lisa's crying. Just talking about crying. Which that's red. Okay, let's go over to red base. They don't seem that great. Like I was saying, I think I died while I was trying to say this. I don't think the players in this will be too good, considering not everyone's hypixel sweat, and I don't... Even if... Okay, if there is a skill-based matchmaking, I'm a level 1 star, so... I just had a level 1 star, so that'll be fine. Okay, you're right there. I can just, like... That's some great ping. Yeah, I don't think they're doing so great. And there we go. I just moved up a star, and I won. Let's go. Okay, here we are on the second server. I don't have enough time for multiple games on the same server. So this is like a MLG rush type, bedwars type, where you have the iron generator right here, and it's 1 block, and then you have all the shops and stuff over here. I do like how all of these have a decent quick buy setup. It's not some weird like off-brand stuff just in the quick buy. Like you just have like a stone sword and that's it. Like I do like that. Looks like the diamond generator is right there. I don't know where the gold generator is. Pretty sure there's a gold generator. Yellow's already bridging. I don't even know where my bed is. I'm guessing it's up there. Oh, the gold must be up here with my bed. Okay, well the gold is up here, but my bed is, and I have no idea where my bed is. I don't know what to protect, but I'll just get some wood, and then let me get a good sword. Yellow is not rushing me. That's good. I'll just look for my bed. I don't like that you have to buy armor. That's stupid. I'm like leather armor. That's very dumb. Okay, well I'm also very dumb because my bed is literally right here. I don't know how I didn't notice that. That's honestly a cool spot for a bed because it looks like it's just decoration. I'm gonna guess that this is my bed, and if it's not, this is embarrassing, but it's okay. We don't talk about that. This room will just be filled with wood and wool. They'll never find my bed. I'll make it look like it's a decoration, and then they'll never find it. Also, this pack, the wood doesn't actually look like this, but I'm just using an overlay that I made because I love wood that looks like this. It's like so simplistic and hot, kind of like you. Okay, let's go to yellow. Considering they didn't rush me, I don't think they're very good. Also, I think everyone's a Steve skin. Yep. Which that's great. Some people determine skill level by skin, and this will definitely prevent that. Yellow is right there. I don't even think they have a sword because you have to buy those. Okay, and there they go. And can I get the bed? Let's go. Yellow team is gone. I hit them right in time. Let's see what I can get with diamonds. And wood takes durability. That's amazing. Team, island defense, summoner. I'm gonna go with... Oh, you purchase it with iron. Okay. I'll go with that. Okay, then after that, I see someone in the corner, but I don't think they can get that. And what can I even do with diamonds? Can I buy things in the shop with diamonds? I can't. I don't know what. Oh, you can. Okay. I can buy a heal pot, invis, jump. Why is the heal potion a lot more expensive than invis jump? I'm gonna get a pearl and invis. Oh no, those are emeralds. Never mind. You just get a heal pot with. You can only get a heal pot with diamonds. Oh, this is confusing. This is a steal. You can buy a base teleporter. If someone's at your base, you can just teleport back. That's a great thing. You can do a rescue platform. I don't have enough for that. Okay, this shop is pretty weird, but I kind of like it. There is still no chests, which that's very interesting. Don't know why these things don't do chests. Okay, no, I was gonna say. I think I can just break some things in the map though, like this. Yeah, I can just break it. That's amazing. I can just buy the chain bundle for 10. I just bought it individually. That's my, it's the same price. Okay, good. I'm so great at math. I hear somebody coming. Don't know which does more damage. Looks like my axe does more damage. It didn't let me equip to my axe. I will just fight them. Okay, that was close. Let me check my heal pot, and there we go. We're good to go. I'm just gonna have to be PvPing with an axe. I swear, if I see one Dream Stand comment, I'm deleting it. Then I'm banning you from my channel, and then I'm gonna attack you, and then I'm gonna send all my dogs to your house, and then I'm gonna track you down with your IP address. And you can buy some ladders for very cheap. That's cool. I can't buy golden apples. That's dumb. I can buy some shears. Again, I can just buy a bundle. I need to start buying the bundles. Okay, that's good. This is probably going to despawn, but I'll just throw it over here anyway. Don't need a glass bottle. That's dumb that it gives you the bottle. Oh, it's only blue and black. Black is a team. I love that. Blue side rushed. Okay, let's go over to blue base. I still have my chain armor. I don't want to be hit off here. Because if you were to suicide me, which I don't know if he's that smart to think of that, if you were to suicide me, that would be great, because not only is his base right here, but I have a lot better. Oh, he just got eliminated. He just left the game. I think his bed. Yup, there goes his bed. Okay, well, I'll take it. I have no idea where black team is. I don't think it's over there, but I have zero idea. Hallie01. Also, I forgot this game only started with 3 or 4 people. Because this video is taking a lot longer than you think. This should be like 8 minutes in. This will probably be like maybe around 6 minutes whenever editing like this. You'll see the video time obviously like in YouTube. But right now it's 20 minutes and 50 seconds because I have to find servers because one of them is blocked by Mojang. Fun fact. What? Oh my god. This is too overpowered. What? Oh my god. One of them was blocked by Mojang. There was one that was a CAPTCHA, like, that literally messed up so hard. And I've had so many technical difficulties, and it takes forever to load in. But, I'm going with it. Okay, well, I can get full iron gear. I could just buy the bundle, but it's too late. Full iron armor. Let's go. I can get iron sword. I can get a snowball. That's overpowered. Don't need any of that. I could get a bow, but that's stupid. I can get a pearl. I'm literally stacked on emeralds. I can get everything. Golden apples. To get another pearl. And get an iron sword. It should be doing more, yep. And I'm gonna get fireballs. And I can just buy the rest, like pearls or something. I have 10 pearls, that's great. We'd love to see it. I don't know if there's some type of a tracker, but if there is, I really should get that. I don't think there's a compass. Don't know why I have 16 glass. I have 0. Is that black team? I think that's black team. I don't know. Well, I have infinite amount of pearls. Let's hope the void isn't. Okay, let's see if the void is too low. That's gonna be awkward. I think this is black team. Nope, black team's over there. Okay, you're just in the shop. Let's drink our jump. Is that them? Yep, that's them. Invis. And pearl over there. I thought I missed my pearl. Never mind. Okay. Well, I have jump and invis. If they hit me off, no. My other pearl should be lit. There I go. I'm pretty cracked at block game if you ask me. I don't even have to go on my generator. I can just grab the emeralds and go. You see 28 emeralds already. I literally, if this was hypixel, imagine getting a stack in 10 or 12 of emeralds in hypixel. You know how overpowered that would be? Like, this server is pretty cracked. This time I will buy the bundles. Armor bundle, sword, and then the rest I can get pearls, because pearls are very useful. Nope, it's called a grenade. Okay, you can get a grenade, that's great. Let's see, I can get iron pickaxe, iron that, more blocks, and let's head over to that base. I don't believe that black team is aware that there are other players in the game and they have to fight for other players. I just don't think, I don't know if it's something about the name Halley01 or the fact that they haven't bridged anywhere except here, like just now. I don't think that they know that. But now I'm over here, probably terrifying them. Poor little Steve. I bet their skin is an actual Steve. Well, they know how to aim. I mean, they didn't hit me, but they know how to aim. Let's get the bed right here. Bed is gone, and let's out. I can just honestly punch them with my fists. There's literally nothing you can do. If I can just spam crits and you're just gonna die. I can't see your health though, so you literally could be at 100 health and I wouldn't know. And that's the game. Let's go. Okay, well, my Minecraft just crashed, but I hope you enjoyed today's video. Give me video ideas in the description. I'm uploading every Friday, like I said in my other previous videos, and I hope you guys have an amazing day, and goodbye.